So hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll try to install Javix in a container way. Okay, for that we need to install Docker engine first in our system, and I'm using right now Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS version, and obviously I haven't installed yet Docker container, the container engine. So you also gonna see here how to install Docker engine here the first. Okay, and this is how my system it's now 8 GB of RAM, and these are the system. And currently I have updated, I'm updating right now the system packages. So as you can see, that's the command, and we're gonna see how it's gonna how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna come back. Okay, so here we go. I have now updated our system with sudo apt update and apt upgrade -y command. Now we need to install the dependencies. So for that I'm gonna copy paste in this command, and I'm gonna send you this command in the description. So what this command does, so this command we're gonna install all the dependencies available for the our release packages. I'm gonna enter here, and it's done. So already everything is updated. Now I need to add a docker official GPG key. I need to install here. So for that I need to create a create a directory inside keyring. So I'm gonna type here sudo space mkdir space -p, because the parent directory we're gonna use here. So it is inside etc directory, and it is inside apt and / keyrings. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. I think it's gonna ask, okay, it's now created. Now let's do one thing here, crawl. I'm gonna paste this command. Okay, key is now added. Now let's add docker repository. I'm gonna copy again this same command, another command, which is this, paste and enter. Okay, now let's do another update command, apt update. Again, it will take some time. I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, I think update and everything is completed. I have already installed here Javix server, so I'm gonna stop that one first. I don't know it will make a conflict or not. So as you can see, I have a here Javix server is installed and it's up and running right now. So I will stop that first right now, then we will install our Docker. Okay, it's now stopped. Perfect. Now let's install our Docker engine. So I'm gonna copy this command again, and I'm gonna paste it here, which is sudo apt install docker and docker container from and plugins and docker compose plugins here. And I think it'll take more time, so I'm gonna stop this video again. We're gonna come back once it's installed. Okay, perfect. Now our docker container and docker compose plugins is now installed. Now let's start our docker container, docker container service. So to start, the command will be systemctl enable and now and docker, like that. I'm gonna press enter. Let's see if you're getting any error or not. So no error, that means we have installed successfully. Now let's add a user we're gonna add a user to the docker group. Now I'm in the current user, so I'm gonna copy and paste it here, and it's done. Now let's see, we're gonna see here now what the Docker version is now installed. So the command will be docker space -- version and press enter. So we have installed now docker version 28.3.3 and build number is this. Now step 2, this was the step 1 to installation of docker. Now step 2 is to install docker compose if not already included. So in our previous version, commands we have installed already, but let's for the same purpose let me install again. Let's see if we're getting any error or not. No, I think it's downloading right now. So now we are installing docker compose. Because in Ubuntu package, docker compose it's not probably not installed on that thing, so we need to install manually. So now I'm installing it right now. So what's next? Now we have our docker container. Docker container engine is running. It's installing right now. And next step will be to set up our Zabbix lab with PostgreSQL thing. So I'm gonna use here Zabbix official page to to follow these steps. So I have I need to create a directory now, a working directory for the Zabbix Docker installation one. So we'll see.